Huh? Just one. Shredder, Jerry, Ashley, myself, and my mom and Carter are inside. What's up, guys? We're at the Ridge Yurt, and it's snowing. I got the snowmobile all bundled up there. So yeah, figured I'd let you guys know what's going on. Sorry, I'm just checking in. I had intentions to film a little bit before we left and film on the way up, but basically the breakdown is that we got an emergency, not an emergency, like a spur of the moment yurt trip because there was a cancellation. So we booked it Friday, Saturday night. We're at the Ridge Yurt, and we had some friends that run a business down by the lodge, High Uintas Ventures, take us all up here. So we were able to take 3 snow machines with 3 sleds behind, and we were able to get 2 dogs, Ashley, me, my mom, Carter, and then the 2 guys up here, all in one trip. And then they took off, and so we just have our snowmobile and our sled. So very happy. We were expecting to do a lot more trips potentially, but it just really worked out to hire those guys to come and just take us up here and drop us off. So I definitely recommend hitting them up if you want to just get a ride up to a yurt, and then you can ski down or do whatever. So really cool. But anyway, we're expecting a lot of snow tonight, so that will be awesome. I forgot my big camera, so I apologize for the GoPro footage. But yeah, we're going to chill out, have some dinner. I think it's probably, I don't know, maybe 4 o'clock by now or something. Who cares? But I'll film a little bit more tonight, depending on what we do. But tomorrow, my mom and Carter and Jury are going to be heading out, and me and Ashley and Shredder will stay. And I'm looking to probably do some snowshoeing and also potentially some snowboarding in some of these hills here. I'm going to keep it pretty chill and pretty safe, acknowledging the avalanche situation that's been going on this year. But anyway, yeah, long-winded intro. Just letting you know what's going on, so stay tuned, and we'll keep you along with us for the remainder of the trip. Thanks, guys. Woo! All right, everybody. We hiked to the top of the driveway here. Gonna try to get Carter to shoot down the driveway. Snow's stickier than I thought, so might take a good push, but we'll see what happens. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Hi, Jerry. Whew. Just hiked up the road here. You can see that's the East Fork drainage right there. And you can see where the burn was. The burn happened 2001 or 2 or something like that. But this is just up the driveway, this giant, massive view. Pretty freaking cool, man. Good job. Probably could have cleaned that up a little bit before I did this, but it's okay. Good morning, everyone. So, had a great night. It snowed mostly during the evening and then it stopped, so we didn't get the big pounding of snow that I was hoping for. But we've had a good morning so far, just coffee and hanging out. I'm going to split some wood. The folks that were at the yurt last had good intentions of stocking the wood in the wood pile inside, but if you don't split these pieces, they won't fit in the stove. So they stocked a bunch of whole rounds in there, and like most of them won't burn. And there's a sign in there that says, please split wood. So hopefully, I understand it's not like malicious or anything, but it's good to know that you really need to split wood before you stock it in there. Otherwise, it doesn't do anybody any good. And now I'm hauling wood back out of the yurt and splitting it and then hauling it back in. So it's actually twice as much work as it could be if it was just empty. But it's okay. I'm going to split some wood. We're going to bring my mom and Carter and Jury back down to the cars, and they're going to take off. So it'll just be me, Ashley, and Shredder. And then we have some buddies that might come and visit. But yeah, anyway. It's a good morning. We'll cook breakfast here shortly. And yeah, as always, a beautiful, awesome time at the yurt. Boom! Nice. Did it hurt your hands? See, that's a really big piece to split with that little axe. There's no way I couldn't even do it. But it's good practice. You're good at chopping.
Holt could just smush it with his...
Probably, and it would just go into little pieces. Hey, what's up, guys? All right, I went and got my big camera. We dropped my mom and Carter and Jury off, and they took off, so that was cool. And then, yeah, back at the yurt, beautiful day, bluebird. Well, not bluebird, but pretty nice. So I'm gonna try my first little hack at backcountry snowboarding. I'm not gonna do anything crazy. I'm not gonna do anything like avalanche danger. Literally hike up and maybe take like 2 or 3 turns. But yeah, it should be interesting. Maybe I get stuck in a tree well and I'm just like, you know, Ashley has to come shovel me out. I don't know, but oh, look at this cool bird that's just chilling. Anyway, oh, there he is again. Looking for food, crumbs, whatever. There he is.
What's your location, over?
So I'm at the top of the hill trying to get my snowshoes strapped to my backpack, and then I'll drink a beer and then I'll snowboard down. I do hear a machine coming up the road, so just be wary of that.
What hill are you up on? Because I followed you, but I fell over, so I'm like halfway up the hill, I guess? Maybe not even half?
Oh no! Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no! Ah! All right, good morning. Whew, it snowed. It snowed a bunch, which is awesome. But I let the snowmobile run out of two-stroke oil, and it's still running. When I got here, it was still running good, but I opened it up and looked, and there's no two-stroke oil in there. So I'm trying to get my buddies a text message to see if they can come bring me some two-stroke oil and maybe help us out of here. There's a little bird that's been flying around out here. Anyway, otherwise, I'm not really sure what I should do. I might load up a load of gear and just ride the snowmobile down to where maybe I can get service, or just ride it all the way down to the shop and then get oil and then come back. But the best situation would be to call, be able to make a phone call or send a text message, letting them know that we need somebody to come up here and help us out. So anyway, it's always something with the snow machine. This time it's completely my fault. Good coffee though. Had a good night. And eat some snacks for breakfast, and then just basically start getting packed up and getting ready. So yeah, thanks for coming along. Whew, okay, I climbed to the top of the big hill there, and luckily got service and was able to call the buddy to come bring me some two-stroke oil and also help us with a load out, so we can hopefully do it all in one trip. So pretty relieved about that. That's a good thing, a little weight off my shoulders, not having to worry about either hiking out of here or running the snow machine dry, which would not be good for it. So getting the wood piled up, gonna get the sled ready, and those guys might show up at any time. It might be a little while, but we want to just get everything ready and packed up, so we're just ready to go. And then hopefully, if they take a little while and we're all done, I'll try to do a little snowboard before we take off. So anyway, beautiful day, freaking beautiful, tons of snow. Alright, man. So I'll pull up so you can get around me, and then I'll follow you. Okay, everybody, we made it back to the truck. It's a pretty fun snowmobile ride, super deep, fresh powder. So it was good. We got everything out in one trip. The homies came to the rescue when it comes to bringing us some two-stroke oil and then also making it so it was just one trip to get out. So pretty stoked about how everything turned out. The roads are sketchy on the way out, but we're just going nice and slow. So anyway, didn't film a lot, but it was a really good trip, really fun, lots of good times. Check out Uintas Adventures if you guys want to rent snowmobiles or get rides up to the yurt. They'll just drop you off. They have a bunch of different services that they do in the summer. There's four-wheelers, e-bikes. They're gonna get kayaks, so check those guys out if you're up here recreating at all. But otherwise, appreciate you watching, and until next time, peace out.